Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make electromechanical timer wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. RCBO circuit breaker, contactor, timer, light, phase connection input to RCBO, neutral connection input to RCBO, neutral connection from RCBO to connect timer, phase connection output from RCBO to connect timer, phase connection to timer another point, neutral connection from RCBO to connect contactor, neutral connection to contactor another point, output phase connection from RCBO to connect contactor, output connection from contactor to connect timer, output connection from contactor to light. Now the circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.